In this video, I'll show you how to get the Crypto.com Visa credit card. Now, it's important to note that this is going to differ depending on region and also depending on the specific card you are going for. But I think this video will be able to give you the gist of what you need to know. So if we look on the bottom right of the screen, you'll see a section that says card. We're going to click in that and then you'll be brought to the screen. All you need to do is swipe up or just click on discover more. And now you'll see a bunch of different cards here from private, pro, plus, and each is going to have various requirements as to what you need to get that card and various fees. But everything will be shown on that card's page. So let's say I want to upgrade to plus. I would just click on upgrade to plus, upgrade to pro, private, and so forth. And then I'll be brought to a screen like this. And for this card, all I need to do is either choose a yearly or monthly fee. Some cards might require you to stake chronos or have a certain amount of chronos in order for you to use them. And when you've set up your requirements or just put in your payment details, all you need to do is hit subscribe now. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.